We are slowly approaching the end of our mechanical keyboard day giveaways now that we are in week number 12. This week we're giving away a mechanical keyboard from Gigabyte AORUS. With the Gigabyte AORUS K1, our partner focuses on the essentials. A sleek, frameless design that takes up relatively little space on your desk, as it also lacks dedicated keys for macros or multimedia and doesn't come with a wrist rest. In combination with the floating keys design and the matte black color scheme, this results in a simple but elegant first impression. Speaking of optimal space allocation, the braided USB connection cable can be routed out of 3 different openings on the bottom and back thanks to an integrated cable management system. Gamers also benefit from always reliable inputs thanks to 100% anti-ghosting and full N-key rollover. And even though there are no extra keys for controlling media and macros, you won't be left without these features. Both can be executed via alternative key bindings and programmed flexibly in the software called AORUS Engine. This is also where you can set the RGB effects and colors, which can also be synchronized with all RGB Fusion compatible devices. The Gigabyte AORUS K1 is equipped with our Cherry MX red switches and is clearly aimed at gamers because of the linear switching characteristic and the pre-travel of only 2 mm. They actuate comfortably and smoothly, allowing for quick reactions. In addition, the switches guarantee 100 million keystrokes without quality loss. So what are you waiting for? Follow the link in our description and complete the elementary entry requirements to participate. However, you should know that you can enter only from July 26th to August 1st. So let's go! Good luck to y'all and happy mechanical keyboard day!